Good morning, students. Today we are going to study SST History, Chapter 1. As you have already been taught history in your previous class 6, that history was covering ancient history. During this year, in this class, we will study medieval history, covering from 700 to 1750. The chapter name is Tracing Changes Through 1,000 Years. This chapter we are going to cover in the following headings: introduction, keywords in this chapter, new and old terminologies, historians and their sources, new social and political groups, region and empire, old and new religions, thinking about time and historical periods, and question answers. As I said, the introduction, the periodic study. As I said, we studied last year ancient history. This year we are going to study medieval history. Okay, and in this chapter you will find two maps. Map 1 made by Arab geographer Al-Idrisi in 1154 CE, and map 2 made by French cartographer in 1720s. There are quite differences in both maps of same area because of gap of 600 years from map 1 to map 2. So, science of cartography differed in two periods. Historians should be sensitive to do the different historical background, the context in which information about past was produced. दो अलग अलग पीरियड में बना हुआ चीज़ है और सेम चीज़ में भी डिफरेंसेस है ड्यू टू टाइम गैप. ओके, नाउ विल लर्न दिस की वर्ड्स. सी जोग्राफर, एज यू हर्ड हियर ओनली, जोग्राफर an expert in a study of physical features of the earth and its atmosphere and human activity. Cartographer, a person makes maps. Context, circumstances, परिस्थिति for an event, statement or ideas and in terms of which it can be understood, समझा जा सके जिसको. Chronicle is factual written important or historical events in the order of their occurrence. Then archive, a place where documents and manuscripts are stored. Periodization is the study of past in time blocks for analysis and understanding link of current and historical events. So next is new and old terminologies. Historical records exist in variety of languages which change over a period of time. Term Hindustan used by Persian chronicler Minhaj-i-Siraj in 13th century for areas around Punjab, Haryana and lands between river Ganga and Yamuna in political context of Delhi Sultanate. मतलब जिसमें साउथ इंडिया वाज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. ओके, मतलब जो क्रॉनिकलर मिनहाज आई सिराज था 13th सेंचुरी में, उसने जो दिल्ली सल्तनत का जो एरिया बताया, इट वाज टोल्ड एज हिंदुस्तान. देन बाबर यूज हिंदुस्तान टू डिस्क्राइब द ज्योग्राफी ऑफ सब कॉन्टिनेंट विथ इट्स फ्लोरा एंड फौना. बाबर का जिस ज्योग्राफी पे कब्जा था, जिस पे उसके फ्लोरा और फौना की चर्चा के लिए उसने हिंदुस्तान नाम दिया इसका. इन 14th सेंचुरी पोएट आमिर खुसरो यूज द वर्ड हिंद. The term Hindustan did not carry political and national meaning which we associated with it today. उस समय इस हिंदुस्तान टर्म का कोई पॉलिटिकल या नेशनल मीनिंग नहीं था जैसे कि आज है. टुडे द टर्म फॉरेनर इज यूज फॉर नॉन इंडियन, मतलब जो भारतीय नहीं हैं. इन हिंदी टर्म परदेसी वॉज यूज फॉर एन एलियन, जो वहाँ के नहीं होते. एलियन मतलब बाहरी लोग, ठीक है. एंड इन पर्सियन अजनबी, जिसको हम नहीं जानते हैं. सो अ सिटी ड्वेलर माइट हैव रिगार्डेड अ फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर एज ए फॉरेनर. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज Hinduism, sorry, historian, this is historian, not Hindustan, historian and their sources. Information about medieval period is derived from two sources. One is archaeological and another one is literary. What is archaeological sources? Archaeological sources are available to us, which includes monuments, temples, coins, tombs, ornaments, and paintings. Till mid of 13th century, there was scarcity, बहुत कमी था, of papers to copy a book. किसी किताब को कॉपी करने के लिए, उसकी अनदर कॉपी बनाने के लिए पेपर नहीं थे. बाई एंड ऑफ 13th सेंचुरी पेपर्स बिकम अवेलेबल इन गुड क्वांटम. ठीक है, उसके बाद पेपर और पास आ गए. लॉट ऑफ लिटरेरी सोर्सेस इन फॉर्म ऑफ होली टेक्स्ट, क्रॉनिकल्स of rulers, letters and teachings of saints, petitions and judicial records, registers of accounts and taxes found. No printing press was there at that time, so the copies of text scribed manuscript by hand. So reading difficulties due to handwritings of different writers led to small changes of a word here and a sentence there. So same text become substantially different from one another over a period of time. 14th century chronicler Ziauddin Barani wrote this chronicle first in 1356 and another version he wrote 2 years later. Both differed from each other and historians were not aware about this of the first version till 1960s, which remained lost in large library collection. Now next point is new social and political groups. So as I said, study of period from 700 to 750 AD, a huge challenge to historians are therefore to scale and variety of developments, due to scale and variety of developments. So new technologies made their appearance, like wheel in irrigation, spinning wheel in weaving, firearms for combat, new foods and beverages. All these innovations came along with people who brought other ideas with them. This was period of economic, political, social and cultural changes. There was development in this sector. This continent held immense wealth and bright fortune, so this period was of great mobility. People traveled in search of opportunity. One group of people became important in this period was Rajputs, they are called Rajputra, son of ruler. Between 8th to 14th century, such groups were warriors and claimed as Kshatriya caste status, not just rulers and chieftains, but also served as loyal soldiers and commanders in armies of different monarchs all over the subcontinent. Others were Marathas, Sikh, Jats, Ahoms and Kayasthas, a caste of scribes and secretaries, जो लेखा जोखा रखने वाले होते थे, and they were having very much great political importance. Gradual clearing of forests and extension of agriculture compelled forest dwellers to माइग्रेट ड्यू टू चेंजेज इन देयर हैबिटेट. जो फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर थे उनको अपनी जंगल छोड़ के हटना पड़ा, क्योंकि उस समय डेवलपमेंट की वजह से जंगलों को काटा गया और एग्रीकल्चर के लिए डेवलप किया गया. दिस चेंज क्रिएटेड पीजेंट ग्रुप्स. जब खेती की बात आई तो पीजेंट्स, किसान शुरू हो गए. पीजेंट ग्रुप्स विच एज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाई रीजनल मार्केट्स, chieftains, priests, monasteries and temples and became large complex societies. अब अलग अलग सोसाइटीज़ तैयार हो गए. देखिए इधर मार्केट्स, बिजनेस वाले, चिफ्टेंस हो गए, प्रिस्ट हो गए, मोनेस्ट्रीज एंड टेम्पल्स हो गए. सो दे पेड टैक्सेस एंड ऑफर्ड गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टू लोकल लॉर्ड्स. जो उनके लीडर्स होते थे उनको उन्होंने टैक्स देना शुरू किया, सर्विसेज देने शुरू किए. Significant economic and social differences emerged amongst peasants, which created जातीज. यहाँ से अब जाति का निर्माण शुरू हुआ. दैट इज कॉल्ड जातीज और सबकास्ट. जातिज रैंक ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर बैकग्राउंड्स एंड ऑक्यूपेशंस, उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या था और क्या काम करते थे उसके हिसाब से उनका जाति हुआ, बट दैट रैंक्स वर नॉट फिक्स परमानेंटली एंड वेरिड अकॉर्डिंग टू पावर, इन्फ्लुएंस एंड रिसोर्सेस कंट्रोल्ड बाई द नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ द जाति। ठीक है, जातिज फ्रेम्ड देयर ओन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, इन जातियों ने अपना अपना रूल्स तैयार किया, एंड इन्फोर्स्ड इट वाज इन्फोर्स्ड बाई एन असेंबली ऑफ एल्डर्स which was called Jati Panchayat. Several villages were governed by the chieftains. Next is regions and empires. Large states like Cholas, Tughlaqs or Mughals encompassed many regions. Encompass मतलब कब्जा करके रखा, उसको कवर करके रखा था, many regions. A Sanskrit Prasasti praised Delhi Sultanate, Delhi Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban, who ruled from 1260 his rule was from 1266 to 1287, who was ruler of vast empire stretched from Bengal in east to Ghazni, Afghanistan in west, and all South Indian states, Dravida. There were considerable conflict between various states. बहुत सारे स्टेट्स के अंदर कन्फ्लिक्ट्स थे उस समय में। ठीक है, between the various states. When Mughal Empire declined in 18th century, 1800 सेंचुरी में जब मुगल एम्पायर डिक्लाइन हुआ, it led to the re-emergence of the regional states. The next point is old and new religions. Religion was closely associated with social and economic organization of local communities. Then during this period, important changes occurred in religion. It included worship of new deities, construction of temples by royalty, and the growing importance of Brahmins in Hindu religion. Knowledge of Sanskrit helped Brahmins to earn respect. Islam was patronized by many rulers. There were Shia Muslims who believed that Prophet Muhammad's son-in-law Ali, the legitimate leader of Muslim community. There were Sunni Muslims who accepted the authority of the early leaders, Khalifas of the community and the succeeding Khalifas. Then comes thinking about time and historical periods. In 19th century, the British historians divided the history of India in three periods: Hindu, Muslim and British. This was on the basis of faiths and beliefs. Okay. दिस डिवीजन वाज बेस्ड ऑन रिलीजन ऑफ रूलर्स, जिसने राज्य किया उस राजा के रिलीजन के हिसाब से इसको डिवाइड किया गया था, एंड इग्नोर्ड द सिग्निफिकेंट डेवलपमेंट्स इन इकोनॉमी, सोसाइटी एंड कल्चर ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. लेकिन इस पीरियड में जो इकोनॉमिक, सोशल एंड कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट हुआ उसको बिल्कुल इग्नोर कर दिया गया. ठीक है, इसीलिए मोस्ट हिस्टोरियंस लुक टू इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल फैक्टर्स टू कैरेक्टराइज द मेजर एलिमेंट्स डिफरेंट moments of the past. Life of hunter-gatherers, early farmers, and early empires was called early societies. Growth of imperial state formation, development of Hinduism and Islam as major religions, and arrival of European trading companies was called medieval period. The last era was called modernity, which carried a sense of material progress and intellectual development. So students, we have completed the chapter. Okay, now let us complete our question answers quickly. As I have made only the answer of the questions, so just read out and you can find it after pausing the video. You can write down the question answers and contents in your copy, or you can find it out. I'll send you as a link. Okay, so let's start. The answer of the first question. The term foreigner is used in the sense of a person who is not an Indian. In medieval period, it was applied to any stranger who appeared in a village and was not part of that society or culture. In this sense, a forest dweller was a foreigner for a city dweller. But two peasants of same village were not foreigners to each other, even with different religion and caste. Answers of question second, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स है. द ए इज फॉल्स, बी इज फॉल्स, C is true and D is false. For fill in the blanks, answer of question 3. The A is manuscript, B is Ziauddin Barani, C is potato, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is answer. Sorry, this is not your particular things. Okay. Next is answer of question 4. Some notable technological changes associated with this period were the use of Persian wheel in irrigation, the use of spinning wheel in weaving, and the use of firearms in combat. Okay, now we'll see the answer of question number 5. Some major significant religious developments occurred in Hinduism. The worship of new deities, construction of temples by loyalty, growing importance of Brahmins, the priest as dominant group of society. Brahmins' importance grew due to their knowledge of Sanskrit language. They were patronized by the emperors. The idea of bhakti emerged among people. The merchants and migrants brought with them the teachings of Quran, the holy book of Muslims. Answer of question 6. It has been observed that language and its interpretation change with the change of time. The Hindustan was first time used by Miraz-i-Siraj in 13th century, a Persian chronicler, considering political dominance of Delhi Sultan, constituting area of Punjab, Haryana and lands between Ganga and Jamuna. Later, in 16th century, Babur used this term for geography, the fauna and the culture of the inhabitants of that subcontinents. The 14th century poet Amir Khusro used term Hind almost in the same sense, while the idea of geographical and cultural entity like India did exist. The term Hindustan did not carry the political and national meanings that we associated with it today. Answer of question 7. Jatis or subcastes grouped on the basis of economic and social status. They were ranked as per their backgrounds and occupations, which was not fixed permanently. They varied as per the power, influence and resources controlled by members of the jatis. Hence, status of jatis varied from area to area and had their own system of ruling. They framed their own rules and regulations. An assembly of elders was responsible to enforce these regulations. This assembly was called Jati Panchayat. But Jatis were also required to abide by the rules of their villages. Answer of question 8. The term pan-regional was used in the sense of areas of empires spanning diverse regions. जो राजा जिस एरिया को अलग अलग क्षेत्र को अपने साथ एनकम्पास किए हुए थे, अपने एम्पायर्स को बढ़ाए हुए थे, उसको हम पान रीजनल कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो कैसे था? द डायनेस्टीज लाइक चोलाज, खिलजी, तुगलक्स एंड मुगल्स extended their empires pan-regional. Though not all these empires were equally stable or successful, but pan-regional rule altered the character of the regions. The legacies of the big or small states led to emergence of many distinct and shared traditions of governance. In governance, the economy, elite culture and languages were some prominent factors as a result of pan-regional rules. Let us see answer of question 9. Manuscripts means handwritten. Writers used palm leaves or bark of trees as paper for writing manuscript or copy down it. Different historians presented their version in their own way, as many of words or sentences were beyond their understanding, so they copied what they understood. Later, it was difficult to recognize the original manuscript. Historians interpreted the facts as per the manuscripts which they got. Hence, we find a number of facts with different illustrations in Hindi. Answer of question number 10. For historians, time is the reflection of social, economic, cultural and religious changes occurred through the ages. Division of past in large periods make it easy to study for historians. British historians in the middle of the 19th century divided time into three periods, that is Hindu, Muslim and British. This division was made on the basis of the fact that no significant change other than religion of the rules could occur during these periods. It was a wrong notation. But as a matter of fact, this division ignored the rich diversity of the subcontinent. Most of the historians take the economic and social factors into account in order to characterize the major elements of different moments of the past. History of past 1,000 years has seen considerable changes. As a result, 16th century was not the same as the 18th century or the 8th century or the 11th century. Hence, it is very difficult for historians to describe the entire period as the historical unit. Okay, students. Now, answer of question 11. Map 1 was made in 1154 CE by Al-Idrisi, an Arab geographer. This section is a detail of the Indian subcontinent from his larger map of the world. Map 2 was made by a French cartographer in 1720s. Both maps are quite different from each other even though they represent the same area. In map 1, we find South India at the place where we would expect to find North India, and Sri Lanka is as Iceland at the top. The place names are in Arabic. Some familiar places like Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh have been spelled as Kannauj. In comparison of this map, map 2 was made nearly 600 years later after map 1. By that time, information about the subcontinents had changed a lot. This map appears to be more familiar to us. The coastal areas particularly are more detailed. Okay students, this is the last question. The answer of question number 12. In our village, records are kept in the Panchayat office as there is no archive in our village. Gram Sevak, a government employee, writes these records. Sarpanch manages it. The documents stored there include the record of the land of the village, date of birth and deaths, number of public properties, data of health centers, etc. Villagers use these records. The certificates are issued to the villagers on the basis of these records. So students, we have completed this session. Just you go through your book, listen these videos repeatedly whenever required. You can pause the video and write the contents from the screen. You update your notebooks, write down all the contents and question answers in notebook, which will be checked when the school is open. If you have any doubt, you can communicate your doubts in the comment box, which will be addressed certainly. Okay, so work hard, study, take care.